Kuya Levy Linguete. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Score 16-8. 16-8. Christian na naman. Short number ni Christian. Wala pa rin. Ni Bombay. Ivan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ivan. Ivan pumamay. Pa-block by Christian. Pero foul. Foul by jersey number 2 minutes and 22 seconds sa ating second game. 16-11. Jeru taking 3. Nagiging babay. Ivan sa ilalim. Ivan. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Christian. To Gubat. Gubat ang mamadali. Gubat. Gubat. Side step. Gubat. 2 points. Jamon. Gubat. 16-10. 6.8 by Team Ivan. Po Olive. Olive, panay-panay. Kuya Levy, binigay kay Olive, panay-panay. Wala. Rebound by Daniel. Steal by Ivan. To Kuya Levy. 2 points. Levy Linguete. 18-10. Wala ang kalamangan. Number 15. Kuya, lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Kuya again. Kuya, wala pa rin talaga. Rebound by Jeru. Jeru taking 3. Jeru Mangosera. Daniel babawi. Daniel Taruban. 21-13. Out of bounds, bola ng Team Ivan. Score 21-13. Oras 1 minute and 7 seconds. Ivan. Kuya Levy. To Ivan. Steal by Gubat. Gubat. 3 versus 2. Gubat. Binigay kay Daniel. Labas po. Bola ng Team Christian 80. Next game, Team David 2.0 versus Team Tutoy Butterbonya. Ayos na. Labas na po. Bigayan na tayo mga bro. Bigayan lang. Paso number 15. Kuya. Ay sir. Kuya. Pinapanayin kayo Levy. Nakuha ni kayo steal by Kuya Levy. To Jeru. Jeru lumipad. Super layup na naman. 2 points. Jeru Mangosera. To Makmak. Makmak Lagrimas kay Idri. Makmak. Bautista. 23-16. 24 seconds left. Shot lock off na po tayo. Shot lock off. 23. 24 seconds na lang po. 24 seconds. 22 seconds. No good. Iba by Christian. 19 seconds left. Christian. Pass. Makmak again. 2 points. Makmak. Lagrima. 23-18. 11 seconds left. 11 seconds left. 11 seconds left. 9 seconds to shoot. Kuya. 2 points. Kuya. 23-20. 3 seconds left. Basket down. Yeah, the second game. Panalo Team Ivan with a score of 25-20.